AI revolution, transforming business and side hustles. In an age where a single algorithm can redefine market trends overnight, the advent of artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a technological evolution, but a revolution reshaping the very fabric of entrepreneurship and side hustles. Imagine a world where your business decisions, customer interactions, and even creative processes are enhanced by intelligence that learns and evolves. This is not the future, this is the unfolding reality of today's AI-driven marketplace. As we stand on the brink of this transformative era, businesses and solo entrepreneurs alike are poised to either soar or stumble based on their ability to harness this formidable tool. This essay delves into how AI is not only redefining the rules of engagement in business, but also providing unprecedented opportunities for those with the insight to seize them. Introduction to AI in business. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing business operations, infusing them with unprecedented efficiency and new capabilities. From automated customer service bots to sophisticated data analysis tools, AI is not just an option, it's becoming a necessity for staying competitive in a rapidly evolving market. The integration of AI into business processes is not merely about automation, it's about enhancing decision-making and strategic planning with superior insights. This capability allows businesses to optimize operations and tailor their offerings more closely to customer preferences. AI's role in business is multifaceted, impacting everything from supply chain management to personalized marketing strategies, thereby opening a new realm of possibilities for companies willing to innovate. Revolutionizing entrepreneurship with AI. The landscape of entrepreneurship is undergoing a seismic shift thanks to AI. Startups are now equipped with tools that were once the exclusive domain of large corporations. AI technologies such as machine learning models and natural language processing tools are democratizing innovation, making it accessible to everyone. For instance, AI-driven analytics platforms can predict market trends and consumer behaviors with remarkable accuracy, giving small businesses a fighting chance to compete against industry giants. This not only levels the playing field but also encourages a surge of creativity and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are increasingly turning to AI to refine their business models, enhance customer experiences, and streamline operations, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and innovation. AI and side hustles, a new frontier. Side hustles are no longer just about extra income, they're potential incubators for disruptive ideas and innovations. AI is playing a pivotal role in transforming side hustles from mere passion projects to substantial income-generating ventures. Take, for example, freelance graphic designers who use AI-powered tools to speed up the design process and offer more personalized designs based on AI-driven insights into current trends. Another case is content creators who utilize AI for editing, scheduling, and analyzing the performance of their content across different platforms. By integrating AI, side hustlers can not only enhance their productivity, but also gain deeper insights into their market, helping them make smarter, data-driven decisions to grow their ventures. As we've explored, AI is not merely a tool but a transformative force reshaping the landscape of business and side hustles. The examples and strategies highlighted throughout this essay underscore the vast potential of AI to not only streamline operations, but also to unlock new opportunities for innovation and growth. The future belongs to those who embrace this technology, integrating AI into their business strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Let this be a call to action. Harness the power of AI and transform your entrepreneurial endeavors into thriving, future-ready ventures.